JavaScript. String methods. Dot HTML. Okay. So Talari Divya, I think Talari Divya name is there. I think so. Let me check now. So we'll start the class because it's already half an hour. Okay. On the day I told you regarding a string length, right? So today we will see the other method. So we completed till length, slice, and substring and a sub str, right? So today, so within this, I have something called as head, body element. Okay, so now we will see about replace method. So what is called as a replace method? Replace method is used to replace the string. For example, I'll put this within a script slash script. So inside this, I'll have some, I'm going to have a variable. Okay, let's, before creating this variable, mm, method will go like this document, like A is equals to some name. I'm giving some name. Mm, hello, welcome. So this is a string I've given. So what I'm going to do is in the document.write method, I'm going to use a replace method. So what I'm going to replace? I'm going to replace the a dot replace. Okay, replace of, in this I have welcome, right? So instead of this welcome, hello. So FSWD. So I have a text called FSWD. So what I will do is instead of FSWD, I need to print some information. Okay. So FSWD, comma, I'll give one more information that is called uh, of that I need the string to be displayed. So let's check what happens. So see here, you can see the output as welcome to JavaScript. It is not in welcome to FSWD. So this is how we can replace. And the next one is if you are trying to use it in a case sensitive, it is little bit case sensitive, and we can't change it if you given some the string has been changed, so it will not give a output. Okay, and what is called as replace all. Replace all, this is another method. So like this I've given. So what happened is, so here I have two FSW, right? So just go and check, run this. You can see at the two place it has been changed. So if you use only replace, then it will only change only one thing. And uppercase and lowercase method, uh, just go here and give us document.write. Inside this, I'm giving a dot to upper case of. Let's run this. Here, I'll give one break. So here you can see everything has been changed to uppercase. And also you can make it as a lowercase. Just copy and paste it here. And I need some break in the next line. So I'll put in this place. Okay, I'm changing this to be a lowercase. Lowercase, okay. I'll run and check. So okay, so here you can see all the text has been in the lowercase. Okay, and we have something called concat. So concat method is nothing but if you want to merge two things, then you can go with the concat. Is concat is nothing but how we are using the plus symbol, the same concept. Okay, so I'm having a let b is equals to some name. I'll go with Kamakshi and let c is equal to salary Divya. I'm giving a name as Divya. Okay. So these are the two names. I wanted at the I'm going to concat it. So how can I do it? Just go here, document dot write. In this place you can give so b dot concat of what? So if you mention like this, you go and check. So just run and check. So here you can see Kamakshi Divya. So this is how it will be. Okay. And if you copy this and if you change the order of B and C, so it becomes C and here it becomes B. Okay. So just run this. So you can see what? So it has been exchanged. What exchanged? First Divya has been displayed and next Kamakshi has been displayed. Okay. This is how it will be. And the next one is what is a trim method. So trim method, what it does is, example, if I have some text, okay. So example, let me consider. So let d is equals to some text. Okay, I'm just giving it as I'm giving some space and I'm mentioning some name. So I'll go with Mani Chandana. I'll give the name as Mani and I'll give some two tabs and I'm closing with a semicolon and let this e is equals to what I'll do is d dot I'm going to trim. So instead of doing this, just go here, right? So d dot I'm going to use a method called trim. Okay, trim off. Go and run this. So here you can see a trim method. So what does it removes that spaces. So it has been removed that spaces. If you want to check that clearly, you can do one thing. So what you will is document dot write here d dot length and here you can give d dot trim that is equal to d dot trim. Okay, so this is how it will be. So here I will find the e length. Okay, so this is one method and this is one method. Give a break statement in between. So here first one what happened? So in the normal thing you can see some 18 characters are there, but after trimming you can see some only 13 characters are presented in the string. Okay, so this is the main difference between a trim. And also we have something called as trim start and trim end, that also we can see. So in the trim start, okay, so space is here. So what I'll do is I assign some variable for this. F, let F is equals to d dot trim start. More variable, this to be end. Okay, so now we're going to get the length value. We'll just copy this. It's F and G. We'll run this. To 0. Okay, okay, sorry. So here, yes, the same thing. So what I'll do is I'll just remove this. Instead of this, I can give a start off. From start off. That is E length. Okay. So here you can see only 15. Okay, that is previously it was 13, right? So now what is 15? So this is what you can trim the things. So we have two things: trim end and trim start. In padding also we can do. What is padding is nothing but, so in this I give some text. Okay, let f is equals to some value. Okay, I'm giving some 5, and then let g is equals to f dot pad start. Okay, so in this pad method I'll give some value. Example, I'm giving 4 comma x. Okay, so this method is like it has two things. So I'll tell you how it executes. Just run this. Copy. So here you can see, there is totally 4, and the fourth element is going to be a 5. Okay. So this is the output you will get. Okay. So one more thing is, if example I'm giving, it's a pad end. So what? Let's check. Pad end. Pad means padding. So you can see it will be the first one and totally 4. If I increase this value to be 5, so there will be 5 totally. And if I change this to some 8, what happened? It will be getting an 8 in the front. Okay. So for some mathematical calculation, you can use this. And okay, the very important thing is char at. So we'll see what is char at and char code at. Okay. Let's go here. Here we had two things. that is extracting a string character. So previously we know how to extract the string, and uh, here what we are doing is the string characters alone. Extracting the string character. For to extract that, we need caret. Okay, in this method. So let's take some example. So I'll take this name itself. Okay, I need the position of k. Okay, how will I get that? If example, I know the position, but I don't know the character. What I'm seeing for the position. So for that, so example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'll take H. So we'll check what is a H character is wrote. So D dot, I need the character char at of 5. You can see I got the H value. If I want the position for 4, then I will get the character as yes. Okay, so this was it will be. And the next one is split off. So split off method is very easy. See here, if I want to split something, substrings or some values, then I can go with the split method. So let's see. So let's say example, I'm giving some character. Okay, example H is a character that is variable name, and I'm giving some values. Okay, so example, so like this, some numbers and the characters are there. Okay, so I'm giving semicolon. So now I'm going to split this. To split this, just copy this, change this to H, split off. So I need that to be splitted using this one. Okay, so let's check. So I've given split. I'll go with so now you can see 1, 2, 3, comma, and if I give some star or asterisk, see. So why it is not accepting that has slashes? Because that is a comment line. Next, I'll try with this one. So while I'm using pipe also, it should work. So let me check once again. Let me run this file. So we can try with the character if possible. Actually, it should work. So okay, we'll do it in the another way. Okay, so I'll remove this. I'll set it as a constant variable. We take like this. Okay, just go here and let I. In here itself, I'm giving h dot split of. Here you can give document, right? So there is some error. So let me get it using some ID if possible. Okay. So I'll create some paragraph ID. So I have some variables. Okay. And then I have text like okay split of this, and I'm trying to get it using a document get element by ID. Here I need to print any one character. Okay, so I'm just splitting, right? So I'll take I of 0. Okay, the exact output is I of 0 means you will get A value, and you can use any sort of split methods. You can give spaces, whatever you want. Next we'll see about array method, JavaScript. Give me 1 minute, guys.